You've heard of Pi Day, correct? On March 14th, people celebrate the mathematical constant by eating pie. There are so many more constants that are important to mathematics. So, why specifically pi? Well, in simplest terms, pi is cool. Its name sounds like a tasty dessert, it's never ending, and we can fit its first three digits, 3.14, onto our calendar. But from a math perspective, it's even cooler. Pi is the ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter. What's that mean? If we take the length of the diameter, represented by this piece of string, and then wrap it around the circumference of the circle, we can fit 3.14 of the strings inside their circumference. Now, have you ever heard of tau? Tau is equal to 6.28, which is 2 times pi. Some people in the mathematical community believe that we should be using tau instead of pi. Oh, the horror! Why would anyone want to get rid of the beloved pi? To answer this question, we need to first look at degrees. Now, this may seem like a big jump, but trust me. As you may know, degrees are split up into a circle into 360-degree portions. But degrees aren't the only way that we can measure an angle. There's also radians. Radians are exactly what they sound like. It uses the radius of a circle to measure the angle, hence radians. Let's go back to our trusty string here, but let's cut it in half so that it is the length of the radius rather than the diameter. Now, as we wrap the string around the circumference, we can mark an arc length of exactly 1 radius. This angle that it forms is equal to 1 radian. If we go all the way around the circle, we can see that the entire circle is equal to 6.28 radians. Wait, hold up. Do you remember this number? Because I sure do. It's tau. So 1 entire circle is equal to tau radians. Let's look at how radians are broke down. Okay, are you as confused as I am? Why is pi all over the page? Where did tau go? If I say tau over 2 radians, you would know that it was half a circle. But if I say pi over 2 radians, it hurts to think that it's only a quarter of the circle. Well, even though it is widely accepted that radians are expressed in terms of pi, it can be confusing to those who are first starting to learn what a radian is. So, should we just stop using pi? To answer this question, let's look at the area of a circle in terms of pi. A equals pi r squared. Now, let's look at it in terms of tau. A equals tau r squared all over 2. Ew, that just doesn't look good. So, should we stop using it? Absolutely not. Pi and tau should be viewed as 2 different constants that have 2 different uses.